Can I replace the battery in my key fob myself, or do I need to go to a dealership?
Welcome to our handy guide on how to replace the battery in your key fob yourself. This is a simple procedure that doesn't require a trip to the dealership. With a few simple steps and precautions, you can easily change the battery and get your key fob working like new again.
Do I need special tools to replace my key fob battery?
In most cases, you will not need any special tools to replace your key fob battery. Most key fobs are designed to be easily opened with a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Some might require a small Phillips head screwdriver, but those are less common. It's always important to be gentle to avoid damaging the internal electronics.
How do I know what battery to buy?
To know which battery to buy, you can open your key fob and look at the existing battery. The battery type will be printed on the battery itself. Common types include CR2025 and CR2032. Be sure to buy the exact same type to ensure compatibility.
How do I replace the battery?
Here's the step-by-step process of replacing your key fob battery. 1. Open the key fob. This usually involves finding a small slot on the side of the fob and gently prying it open with a flathead screwdriver or coin. 2. Remove the old battery. Be careful not to touch any electronic parts. Use the screwdriver to gently remove the battery if necessary. 3. Insert the new battery. Make sure it's oriented correctly. The flat side with the text usually faces upwards. 4. Close the key fob. Snap the two parts of the key fob back together, making sure they're secure.
What if my key fob still doesn't work?
If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, there could be several reasons. The most common are that the battery is installed incorrectly or it's not the right type. Double-check these aspects first. If the problem persists, you might have a faulty key fob and it could be necessary to visit your dealership for further assistance. As you can see, replacing your key fob battery is a straightforward process that you can easily do at home. So, save yourself a trip to the dealership and some money, and try it yourself. As always, if you run into problems, don't hesitate to seek professional help. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to change your key fob battery. Happy DIYing!